Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new Visual Studio Code video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to run C++ in your Visual Studio Code. First of all guys, in order for you to actually use this software, you'll have to go to code.visualstudio.com, and from this website you can just click here on download for Windows. After that, in the download process, they will ask you for actually which languages do you like to add to your Visual Studio Code. If you didn't add the C++ to your list, don't worry guys, I will show you how to add it through the software itself without without the actual installed process. So first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and download it, install it, and then open it. So here we go ahead and open it, and as you can see, you will be finding here about like so many menu. So just go ahead and search for extensions, or just try and tap on Ctrl Shift X. After that, this will open for you. So in order for us to find C++, we just have to search for C++. Here we go. Now all we need to do is click on install. Here we go. And then all we need to do now is actually wait for it until it's fully installed. So we just have to wait for it, and as you can see, it installs both C and C++ for us. And if you want any other like extensions with it, you can add them through here. Here we go. This is the C++ extension. It has been created for us, so we can now actually start coding with C++. And let me just, sorry guys, let me just close this real quick. So basically now for you, here is it. You can start actually now creating your files. You can now actually check whatever extension you'd like to add. Now you can search for them over here, and yeah, you can basically now start coding using C++ because now you have installed it in the Visual Studio Code successfully. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you have any other questions about Visual Studio Code, about C++, about any other stuff that has relation with this topic, please let them down below in the comment section, and see you guys in the next tutorial.